Hey man, today we're gonna be doing a full review, a long overdue review and on feet over the Air Jordan 8 SoleFly Mi Casa Su Casa, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up, and I'm trying to give you guys more reviews and on feats to show you guys different details, show you guys different hits of upcoming sneakers and sneakers that have released in the past. These just released this past weekend. There's a lot going on this weekend. You had the SB Powerpuff Girls, you had the Air Jordan 8 Mi Casa Su Casa, Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies. There's a lot going on this past weekend, and I kind of feel like these got a little overshadowed, but nonetheless still a very nice Air Jordan 8, I must say, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, right now I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, bro. We can't stress that enough. Everybody right now, hit the like button and don't be afraid to subscribe, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help your boy out. We're going together, and hopefully next year, man, we see that 100K plaque, and it's gonna be something crazy, surreal. And I want to thank you guys in advance. Before we even get there, I want to thank you in advance, man, for all the love and support you guys have been showing on this journey. And bam, man, here we have them again, bro. The Air Jordan 8 SoleFlies, man. Just a beautiful Air Jordan 8. And I think it's safe to say, man, Jordan Brand has been going crazy with the 8s this year, starting off with these Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. Let me grab them real quick, man. I don't usually get up out the chair during the videos, man, but these guys came out, bro. We got the playoff 8s drop, and they followed up with a couple other Air Jordan 8s, the anthracite 8s drop, or the triple black joints. Are they called the chromes? The all black 8s that just came out. And you also have these beauties right here, man. And like I said, bro, I think they went all in with this joint and this collaboration. I think it's definitely gonna be something that a lot of people are gonna regret not putting a little bit more energy towards copping later down the line, man. So let's first check out the box real quick, put the sneakers to the side. I guess we can get these Air Jordan 8 playoffs out the way, man. But just go ahead and check out the box, bro, the different hits. You got Mi Casa Su Casa on the top of the box, along with your Jumpman in the middle. Go ahead and show you guys the different size right here. As you guys can see, official colorway, size tag, and you also have a little nice sticker over here. It's not a sticker, it's actually a brand on there. It says SoleFly with the Jumpman logo right there, as you guys can see. And so the official colorway reads Air Jordan 8 Retro SP, Cell Metallic Gold and Fossil. And I always go up a half size in my Air Jordan 8s. So I got these bad boys in a size 9.5. And I recommend you guys go up a half size as well in your Air Jordan 8s, man. So let's flip the top open and show you guys inside the box. Baby blue on the inside, nice little tissue paper. No extra laces with these. I thought we might get some extra laces, but we didn't. So you got nothing besides this nice interior tissue paper, man. So taking a look at the sneaker, man, I think the first thing that kind of catches your attention is that fossil upper. So like you even get this like textured material. It's not your regular upper on your pair of Air Jordan 8s that you get with these joints. You kind of get this like nice texture feel, almost like a fossil vibe to it. And then leading down towards the toe box, you get your regular suede down below and more of like a tannish sail color down here. So on the outer of the sneaker, you guys see you got some different material right here compared to the inner of these guys. So on the inside is more of just like a regular plush material. On the upper of the sneaker, when you flip back to the outer of the sneaker, kind of get this like wickered feel. Like I don't know what kind of material this is, kind of like some wickered vibe, or even something similar to the Air Jordan 1 UNLAs we got with the weave going around the entire Air Jordan 1. On the left sneaker, you do get SF for SoleFly on the lacing straps, and then we flip it over to the right sneaker, you just got your traditional 2-3 on the lacing straps right here. And something that's also very cool about these lacing straps, man, when you open them up, bro, you open them up, it actually says Mi Casa Su Casa on the straps, bro. Check that out, man. You got Mi Casa, you have Su Casa over there, man. They went all out with these joints right here. Nothing short of this immaculate quality Air Jordan 8. Everybody already knows, man, the Air Jordan 8 is infamous for the furry tongue that comes with it. You got your blue, you got your red, and you have your white hits around that white Jumpman on the tongue. The inner of these guys is all red, man. Nice plush material. You can tell they put emphasis on the quality along with the comfortability of the sneaker. And if you ever did want to hold down the lacing straps, of course you do have these little straps right here that label Air Jordan. You got that on the outside and on the inner of the sneakers. And I hope this is picking up. If not, be sure to hit y'all with some B-roll. But you have that fossil color more towards the rear of the sneaker, but when you come down towards the toe box and on the inner of the sneaker, you do get that nice sail or tan color through the majority of that portion of the sneaker. So of course you guys know you do get the red, navy blue, and white hits everywhere. You also do get that on the side panel of the Air Jordan 8s right here. And then when you flip it to the outside, you also get the same type of, you know, design to go with the whole Casa Tsukasa vibe that SoleFly was running with. And correct me if I'm wrong, this is the first time I've ever seen to where they kind of threw a translucent section on the midsole of an Air Jordan 8, but it's super dope, super cool, and I'm liking how they executed this Air Jordan 8 SoleFly. All in all, man, this is a very, very nice sneaker. I don't know, I said that probably 100 times because, man, I'm super excited to have them in the collection. I was lucky enough to hit on SoleFly's website. Never happened before, so I'm definitely going to cherish these things. And these definitely might crack my new updated top 10 list, which you guys will be seeing very shortly. And I got to do a compare and contrast to my first top 10 pickups of the year because it is totally different. Now we getting deeper into December, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll, enjoyed the video, enjoyed these different hits that we do get with these joints. And real quick, man, I forgot to mention you only get these sail laces that come with these Air Jordan 8s. And on the tips, you do get the nice Jumpman logo, bro. So they went all out with this sneaker, man. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Had to point out the laces, man. I love how they did that. Make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And with all this being said, man, we're going to head and throw these things right on feet. Let me know how you feeling them down below in the comment section, man.
Wake up and make up this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this, I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my real, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, changing. Freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze, running till I miss my season. Laid back, geeky, smoking on dope, that diesel. Young get gone off the deep end, running till I miss my season. I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play calling. They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucing. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, changing.